Hey YouTube, welcome back. Today we're making cucarachas. They're fried shrimp. They're made with a huichol hot sauce, and they're really fried in butter with like a homemade marisco seasoning. They're very easy to make, and they're also really good. Stick around and we'll show you guys how to make this. All right, I'm gonna show you guys how I make my own homemade marisco seasoning. I used to buy this stuff. It's really good, but I couldn't find it anymore, so now I have to make my own. It's not that difficult, and it tastes a little better than this stuff. If you guys can't find this or you don't want to make the homemade one, just use Cajun. For the homemade one, I have Ancho Chiles, Guajillos, and Moritas. I have Aleppo Pepper, garlic powder, onion powder, smoked paprika. Please make sure it's smoked. It does change the flavor. I have a little bit of citric acid and MSG. Over here, I have the Knorr chicken bouillon powder. I have more Aleppo pepper because I want my seasoning to have some body and to have a little bit of coarseness to it. I also have some Demerara sugar. If you guys cannot find Demerara, use raw sugar or Turbinado sugar in the raw. And finally, I have some sea salt down here. All right, for our protein, we need head-on shrimp. These are 914 in size, and it's 4 pounds. Please make sure the head is on. It does make a big difference in what we're making today. I have unsalted butter, no salt because we want to control the salt always. Freshly squeezed lime juice. We have some huichol salsa. I have a cucumber, and I have half a red onion. You guys, please make sure you guys get this huichol sauce. It really makes a difference. This really makes the whole recipe. To get started on our marisco seasoning, we're gonna have to toast our chilies. So here, I just cleaned them out already, and I'm just gonna lay them out on my tray. And I'm gonna toast them at 350 for around 10 minutes or until you start smelling them. And I'm also gonna toast the piece of cinnamon. The rest of the spices can stay whole. All right, so here are my chilies. I toasted them in the oven at 350, like I said, for I think it was 7 minutes. You just wanna toast them until you start seeing them change color and you can start smelling them. And I let them relax for a little bit, and now they're like really stiff. This is gonna make them really easy to blend. So everything goes in the blender. Chilies, cinnamon. I'm gonna throw in my Aleppo, my garlic, my onion, my smoked paprika, my citric acid, and my MSG, all in the blender. And we blend. All right, I let this blend until very fine. Be careful when you guys pour it out because it will get like very powdery, right? Go all over your face. Chicken bouillon powder in, my Aleppo pepper, my sea salt, and my sugar. And then we just give it a stir. Break down any clumps that may come by. All right, and our marisco seasoning is done. Okay, our next step in our cucarachas is to deep fry our shrimp. I have my oil at 350, and I'm just gonna fry maybe like 10 at a time. Once they're all fried, I'm just gonna put them to the side. I mean, these don't take very long to fry, probably about a minute. And once you get some nice color on your shrimp, they're done. All right, now that we have our shrimp already fried, we have our homemade marisco seasoning. Next, we just gotta put everything together. So we're gonna start with the butter, unsalted. The whole recipe will be down in the description, guys, in case you guys are wondering about measurements. Our goal here is to get the butter nice and melted, and then we're gonna add in our vegetables. Okay, we got our butter nice and melted. I'm going with my marisco seasoning and toast it off a little bit. Once that's nice and toasted off, going with my onions. Just gonna saute these real quick. Once my onions soften a little bit, I'm gonna go in with my huichol. Once this is all nice and emulsified, going with my fresh lime juice. Okay. Going with my cucumber. Next, I'm going with all my shrimp. Again, this is 4 pounds. All right, and here I'm gonna turn my burner to low. So I don't want the butter to burn. We're just gonna stir until everything is nice and incorporated. And finally, we're gonna add the last bit of our seasoning. Some more chicken bouillon powder and a little bit more sea salt. Then we're just gonna go until everything dissolves and we got a nice seasoned sauce. As you can see, this came together rather quickly. The hardest part is just frying your shrimp. Okay, I'm gonna let these come up to a simmer and then I'm gonna turn them off. All right, we're finally done. Let's see how we did. Time for the taste. So just, these are a little hard to eat, right? But they're well worth it. Get your hands dirty. It's basically like a Mexican seafood boil. I think that's the best I can describe it. Although they're not boiled, they're fried. Time to taste. Can't forget about the head. Don't be afraid. All the flavors right here. That's really, really good. That is so good. Like a dish like this at the restaurant will cost you 45 to 50 bucks. I spent $30 on the shrimp and I spent maybe another 15 bucks on the rest of the ingredients. So you're looking at like 50 bucks, but for like 5 times the servings. So it's well worth it if you make it at home, right? It is a little time consuming just on the frying the shrimp. But once that steps out the way, it literally comes together in minutes, okay? I have tostadas here you guys can eat it with, but like this could go really good with some garlic rice and some garlic bread. Man, that's really, really good. I'll show you guys how to make that in the future videos. But thank you for checking out the video, guys. Let me know if you guys need any help. I'm always in the comments. Peace.